Dear students, we are going to discuss multipurpose river projects and integrated water resource management, hydraulic structures in ancient India, dam and its classification, advantages of dams and disadvantages of dams. Multipurpose river valley projects. These are such projects which benefit us in various ways. We are doing agriculture with the help of these projects. Hydroelectricity is generated and water is used for drinking purposes. These projects are used to overcome various problems associated with the river valleys in an integrated manner. Integrated water resource management. We should protect these water resources, not only water resources, land, plants, animals also should be protected. Based on river basin as a geographical unit with objective of balancing man's needs with necessity of conserving resources to ensure their sustainability. We should use these water resources in a sustainable manner, not throwing chemical and toxic substances into water bodies. As we have discussed in the last topic, we have less water, that is 1.3% fresh water. If we will deplete the quality of this small quantity, in future years we will face problems or water scarcity. Hydraulic structures in ancient India. These multipurpose river valley projects or dams were constructed from the earlier times. In 1st century BC, in Siringverapura near Allahabad, sophisticated water harvesting system channel the flood water of the river Ganga. This channel was particularly used during the floods. During the time of Chandragupta Maurya, dams, lakes, irrigation system was extensively built. Evidences of sophisticated irrigation work have also been found in Kalinga, Orissa, Nagarjuna Konda, Andhra Pradesh, Binnur, Karnataka, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. In 11th century, Bhopal Lake, one of the largest artificial lake, was built. In 14th century, the tank in Hoji Khas, Delhi, that was constructed by Iltutmish for supplying water to Siri Fort area. Dam and its classification. Dam is a barrier across flowing water that obstructs, directs, or retards the flow of water. It is a reservoir, lake, or impoundment. Dam is a reservoir rather than a structure. Mostly dams are used to store water. That is why they are considered as reservoirs. Most dams have a section or opening called a spillway or weir. Through which it is intended that water will flow either intermittently or continuously. Classification of dams. Dams have been classified on two bases. Dams have been classified on the basis of material and on the basis of height. On the basis of material, dams are classified into timber dams, embankment dams, or masonry dams, with several subtypes. Timber dams are those dams in which wood is used to store water. Embankment dams or masonry dams are concrete dams. Cement and other materials are used. On the basis of height, dams have been classified into three types: low dams, medium dams, and high dams. Advantages of dams. Dams are used to control floods, to protect soil erosion, provide water for irrigation. Water is used for the domestic and industrial purposes. Electricity is generated. Provides water transport. Encourages tourism and recreation. People from the different parts of the world to see the dams, as we have the highest dam in India, that is Bhakra Nangal Dam. Preservation of wildlife. Development of fisheries. Jawaharlal Nehru proudly proclaimed the dams as the temples of modern India, or they are the wheels which led the country to the development. Here are two dams. One is Bhakra Nangal Dam, which has been the Bhakra Nangal Dam, which had been constructed on the Satluj Beas river basin. It is the highest dam in India, used for hydroelectricity, irrigation, etc. Hirakud Dam, which had been constructed across Mahanadi basin. It is mostly used to control floods. Disadvantages of dams. They affect the natural flow, poor sediment flow. The main purpose of dams is to store water. Unfortunately, large quantity of sand is storing. Day by day, year after year, the capacity of storing water goes decreasing. Poorer habitat for the aquatic life. It is mostly difficult for the aquatic life to migrate. People have to move in those areas to another areas. There are the inter-water disputes between countries and states. The big dams have mostly been unsuccessful in controlling floods at the time of excessive rainfall. Dams induce earthquakes, cause waterborne disease, pests and pollution. Various movements were launched against the construction of dams. That is Narmada Bachao Andolan and the Tehri Dam Andolan. You can check here various dams in India. Bhakra Nangal Dam, that is on the river Satluj. Here is Hirakud Dam on the river Mahanadi. Thank you very much.